Kadochikov, com deporte.
Michael Jordan é ex-deportista que ganha mais placa de 2015. Jordan ganha 110 milhões de dólares ano passado comercial. E também invertir sua placa bom. É muito mais grande que Jordan ganha da com Nike Jordan. Ex-basquetebolista número 1 do mundo, o número 1 rivalista de Forbes de ex-deportista que tascat Jordan sua capital a 1,1 milhar de dólares. Que men sinta um basquetebol, placa da direita, que tu vai. E vacância escola e houve muito também camp de deporte. E aí aqui, Kids Golf Camp, aí houve muito.
James Kelly aí aqui também, durante a vacância de Passo Grande, organizar o tradicional Kids Golf Camp no Tierra del Sol. O aí houve muito interessante para o deporte de golf.
Yes, I see some new kids adding each week. I do a Saturday kids clinic, so a lot of kids from that have joined this week as well, with a few new ones kind of coming to the game. So each week and each month, about an extra kid adds to the program, so it's very nice.
Is there variation for them here at the camp?
In what sense? What do you mean?
Variation? They got to swim, they go to something else?
There's no swimming. We've been working with their short game in the morning time. Afternoon, as you can see now, we're at the driving range, and shortly after, we're going to take them onto the golf course, kind of show them the etiquette out there and kind of the rules of play as well, and have some fun.
So this year concentrating more on golf alone?
Yes, absolutely. Most of the kids in this group this week have been with me for some years now, so they're a little bit more advanced in their game, so it's nice to actually start getting on the golf course with them and introducing them to that aspect as well.
You see a couple of them, they have a natural good swing.
Absolutely. They're all great kids, which is wonderful to work with, but it's nice to see that a lot of them have some talent for this game as well. So
we can get some golfers from out of these groups.
Absolutely, let's hope so. Some of my helpers this week actually were juniors in programs in years past, and now kind of developed along as they got older, and actually quite acquired golfers as well. So they're accomplished in their own mind.
You're having a good time with these kids?
Oh yeah, the kids are a lot of fun. They keep me feeling young again. I keep getting older each year, and they seem to be staying the same age. So I got to do something about that. But they're great kids with great attitude, so it's a pleasure to work with.
You all enjoying the golf?
Maurice de Lisa considera el mejor golfer de Aruba actualmente. Também a começar em Kids Camp.
Ja, het is leuk. Sobra misa ko ami tami kumisa ko manit 6 anos or nang edad. Ito just purba di duna nang lang nang hanya fun, basta. No força nang pa hasi algo hobby diferente ko nang no sa just it has to be fun. Anto sinang tayo fun nang ta bing mas nang ta hunga mas. Anto misa ko ora ami by Kids Camp. Hopi mucha abay nang no hunga mas sobre nang no hanya hopi fun. Siya hanya fun. There's mita espera ko aqui party ayam mita wak hopi din ng back. Aqui na Tierra del Sol hungando. Anto yeah.
Ba nota algo ni nang ko tinha touch?
Sim, tem basta hopi din natin ting touch. Bral Hansi é so mais young, então hopi bom para sua idade. Eu quero 5 anos ita. Ami começar com 6 anos, então ita hopi mais miho ko rami ta sua idade. Pero ting hopi din nang ting touch anto mitawa ko sinata começar sige praktika nang tabira hopi bom. Anto bangwa sinata queda din golf.
E 127 dias só falta para a abertura do Juegos Olímpicos. Informação de Banco Cotahibapo Rio, @bank. E dia domingo agora, para 2 horas e meia dia, prêmio Excelência em Deporte aqui na ATV. Se reconhece que é deportista de ano. E Coração do Deporte, Taranga Sali, já são 6 de abril, para 8 horas e meia noite. Legendário futebolista da conta com etapa da estima futebol. Ronnie? Franci?
Kadochi mesmo, não?
Não.
just